Today, I'm going to walk you through how to disable the pop-up blocker in Google Chrome. This is a really useful thing to know, especially if you're trying to access web pages or sites that require pop-ups for things like login screens, confirmations, or interactive features. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to quickly locate your pop-up blocker extension and turn it off, so you won't be stuck wondering why a site isn't working as it should. Let's jump right in and start with the first step. Go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser. You can double-click the Chrome icon wherever you have it. Maybe it's pinned to your taskbar or just sitting on your desktop. If Chrome is already running, feel free to use your open window. There's no need to open a new one. Just make sure you're in Chrome. Since these instructions are specific to this browser, now that Chrome is open, look towards the top right corner of your browser window. You should see a small icon that looks like a puzzle piece. That's the Extensions button. If you haven't noticed it before, it's right next to your profile picture icon and sometimes near the three-dot menu. Go ahead and click on that extension icon. What you're seeing now is basically a quick access menu to every extension you have installed in Chrome. Think of it as your toolbar toolbox. Everything you've connected to your browser is displayed here for easy management. Once you've clicked the puzzle piece, you'll see a drop-down list of all your extensions. From here, we need to dig a little deeper. So next, find and click the Manage Extensions option at the bottom of this menu. When you do this, Chrome will take you to a new page that lays out a full overview of all your browser extensions. This page is like your control center for Chrome add-ons. This part might take a moment to load, especially if you have a lot of extensions installed. Don't worry if it looks overwhelming at first. Just take a quick scan to find the one you're looking for. Now, scroll through your extensions list until you spot the one called Pop-up Blocker. Sometimes extensions have slightly different names, but look for anything with pop-up or blocker in the title. If you're having trouble finding it, you can use the search bar at the top right of the page to type in pop-up, and Chrome will highlight it for you. Once you've found your pop-up blocker extension, you'll see a little toggle switch next to it. This switch controls whether the extension is active or inactive. Click that switch once. It'll move from the on position to off. That instantly disables the pop-up blocker. You won't get a notification, but the toggle should turn gray, letting you know the blocker is off. What you've just done is told Chrome to allow pop-ups on websites, so the feature will stop interrupting your browsing. After disabling the pop-up blocker, you can simply close the Extensions tab. You don't need to restart Chrome. The change takes effect immediately. Next time you visit a site that needs to show a pop-up, it should work just fine. And that's all there is to it. Disabling your pop-up blocker is really straightforward once you know where to look. Remember, you can always re-enable it using the same steps if you change your mind later. If this tutorial helped, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or ran into issues along the way, leave a comment below. I check them regularly and I'm happy to help you out. Subscribe if you want more clear, step-by-step tutorials like this. And thanks for watching.